Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank for PlayStation 2. So last episode we cleared out everything on Ovalis, got all of the shiny things, and we're given a ship. So, sick as balls. Alright, let's hop in. Yippee! Now let's see. We could go to Iridia or to Metropolis. Personally, I want to go to Metropolis because we get some goodies there. We get some nice goodies there. And I just remembered how long these transitions take. Quran. Forgot that's what the plan was called. Okay. Yippee. Clunk. I love this music. Yes. Ground pound. The ever so classic run up and break shit, get money. Yep. Now there's another gold bolt around here, but you need to come back like later in this level. Oh yeah, you get the blaster. Yank. It's basically like a pistol. So literally what it looks like. Let's see. That's an obstacle course. I'll come back to that later. Oh yeah, whenever you shoot someone, they have like slight invincibility frames. So like you can't just open fire on them. You'll probably just want to like son of a bitch. Like tap it every few times. If you just do that, then you're just gonna like waste ammo. Yeah, that's a like issue with rapid fire weapons in the first Ratchet and Clank. Boop, boop, boop. Motherfucker, get back here. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see. La Bomba. Hello. Hello. Ooh, surprise attack. Alright. Go out to the blaster. You know, sometimes just ignore my advice. Because it is also effective to just hold down the trigger and just say, you know, screw aiming. Because sometimes aiming can be a pain in the taint. Yes, more ammunition. We gotta get over there. Al's Robo Shack. Ooh, foreshadowing. You know, for the longest time, I thought you couldn't get up there. But I learned you can. And there's absolutely nothing up there. Just like one of those satisfaction things. Just like, yeah, I made it up here. Now what do I do with my life? Yes. Spin to win with flamethrowers. Okay, I was gonna do a funny, but that works too, I guess. Bring me all the monies. Spank you very much. And now, for the joke I was going to make. Okay, enough with my amazing humor. Yes, because truly I'm a master of laughery or something. Sup, fat man? Same. Ah, yes, the goodies. Hmm, 1,000 bolts. Thank you. Get your bitch ass over here. Woo! We can fly! Whoa, hover! Yeah. Trust me, I've been hoverpacking since before you was programmed. Don't know how that's a thing, seeing as how I only learned about it when I played this game. Whee! Alright, so remember that big ass yellow robot statue thing with the wrench? I'm going to teach you, all of you youngins, how to get on top of it. Something that has taken me literal fucking years to figure out. Which probably says more about me than it should. Because it's pretty fucking easy. Eh. Oh yeah, you could just like hover in the air. Alright. I forgot if there were enemies up here or not. R1 is crouch, press X, and boom. Hold X to hover. Alright. Thank you, Robo Lady. Whee! Oh, Christ. Ah, bitch. I blew myself up. Woo! Died. And he was never heard of again. And I got his monies. Okay, let's keep it going. Keep her going. Let's go. Okay, I think we should be getting close to there. Burn the bitches! Oh, Kerp. We should be getting close. Let's see. I'm doing all this shit from memory, by the way. I have no such videos in which to do the helping. So, what you do is helipack. This is gonna take a while. Yes. Now, remember when I said this was easy, and this says way more about me than it does about anything? Yeah. Turns out I was fucking stupid. Stupid as a kid and as I am now. Well, now you know how to get up there. So, yeah. There was me trying to make it all cinematic and shit. Huyo! Huyo! Ah. Fucking. Elevators. How did I miss this money? This is mine now. It will belong to no one else other than me. We. Okay, time to kill this fucker. Those are bombs. Oh, come on. And ground pound. And ground pound. Hey guys, can you guess what I'm gonna do with this? Grab pound. Alright, and with that, I'm gonna end this episode because I've hit the 10-minute mark. So, hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to, I don't know, subscribe if you liked it. Maybe like it if you liked it. Or both. Who knows? Anyway, bye.